Okay, hey everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to quickly sign up for an account on github.com. So the first thing we need to do is to navigate to github.com. You could do a search for it if you like, but type it in the address bar works pretty good. And then on this main page here, it gives you a little introduction. You could read around the site and get some more information about it, but for the sake of this tutorial, just going to walk through how to get set up here. So here you would type in whatever your username is. I'm going to go with deem it student, but here you would type in whatever desired username you'd like to have. You type in your password. Oops. And then, sorry, your email address, and then type in a password. And away you go. And sign up for GitHub. All right, once that happens, you could choose to save if you use the password savers or whatever. I'll go ahead. And it's gonna excuse me, it's gonna ask us to verify the account. So please solve the puzzles so you know you're a real person. Go through, do the thing. And we will join a free plan. And that's it. So once you get through that stage, it's going to give you a little welcome message. Hey, fantastic, you signed up. Tell us what you're interested in. You can go through this and, you're a student, you're et cetera, what you're interested in, teachers, etc. Click off whatever you like here. How much programming experience do you have? If you've not done any or you've done a little bit, what do you plan to use GitHub for? And so in this case, it could be to learn to code, could be any number of things. Could be also while you're here to learn Git and GitHub. The focus of GitHub for the CPSC 10-12 course isn't really to learn Git and GitHub, but there's no reason why you couldn't pick that up along the way. Schoolwork and student projects. The assignments for this course will be delivered to you through GitHub, so that's definitely an option. And then any additional things that you might be interested in. So like it says here, languages, etc. So if you're interested in C# or JavaScript or whatever, you could type those things in. And then once you're done, go ahead and complete your setup. Okay, and then the final step here, it's going to say, please verify your email address. And you're going to get an email that gets sent to you so that you can, of course, verify that this is a real account and you can do what you need to do. So I've already got my email account open up here. So you should get an email that looks something like the following from GitHub. Check your junk mail just in case you don't see it in your inbox, but it should come pretty quickly. And then you'll get a message here that says you're almost ready to go. Just verify your email address. So you click that button and that'll open up another tab and say, fantastic, what do you want to do? But the most important piece here is that your email was in fact verified. So now you've got these two tabs open. You can close this one, the original tab, and then just stick with the one here that has your verification. And that's kind of it. As far as getting an account set up goes, it's pretty straightforward. If you've signed up for accounts in other places, hopefully it's pretty simple. But then there's other options like creating repositories, creating organizations, or start learning. You could choose any of these. You can also skip it for now, and then that will bring you to your github.com dashboard. So information about repositories or users you're following will show up in here. Interesting news, things that are tied to some of the things that you've chosen in the previous steps for your likes and interests will appear here, and a number of other things. So you'll get some repositories that pop up here. And you can check all of that out, or you can kind of ignore it. It doesn't really matter. You can create a repository or import a repository. None of that stuff is relevant for the course, but they are, of course, things that you can choose to do. If you look up in the top right, you'll see you have a default avatar image, but this is where you can go to access your profile and your account information. So once you click on this little icon, you get the drop down. You could set your status if you like, and then you can also view your profile and repositories. If you go and have a click on your profile, that'll bring you to It's kind of exactly what it sounds like, the profile page, but kind of a dashboard for your own personal work and projects. So that main dashboard kind of shows you things from all over GitHub, but your profile page will just show you information related to your own projects and repositories. So that's it for now. At this point, you've got your GitHub account set up. We've signed in. We're able to navigate around a little bit. In a subsequent follow-up video, I'll show you how to access the assignments and submit assignments for CPSC 1012.